Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into everything automotive. Today we're taking an exclusive look at the 2026 Dodge Ram 2500, one of the most powerful and capable heavy-duty trucks on the market. Whether you're hauling gear for work or conquering off-road adventures, this beast has got your back. And then some. Let's start under the hood, because that's where all the magic happens. The 2026 Ram 2500 is powered by a legendary 6.7-liter Cummins Turbo Diesel engine, a name synonymous with brute strength and reliability. This powerhouse cranks out an insane 420 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 1,075 pound-feet of torque. That's enough grunt to move mountains, or at least tow them. With these numbers, it's no surprise that the Ram 2500 can tow up to 19,700 pounds and handle a maximum payload of 4,010 pounds. Need to haul heavy equipment? No problem. Want to tow your RV across the country? Done deal. Now, let's talk about customization, because the 2026 Ram 2500 comes in 5 distinct trims to suit every driver's needs. Starting with the no-nonsense Tradesman, perfect for those who prioritize functionality and durability. Then there's the rugged big horn, ideal for weekend warriors. If off-roading is more your style, check out the adventurous Rebel trim. It's built for those who love getting dirty while exploring uncharted paths. And if luxury is what you crave, the top-of-the-line limited trim will make you feel like royalty. With premium materials and cutting-edge tech, it's basically a 5-star hotel on wheels. But wait, it's not just about brawn. The Ram 2500 also brings brains and comfort to the table. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, well-appointed interior designed to keep you relaxed during long drives. The centerpiece here is the 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which comes standard across all trims. It's intuitive, responsive, and packed with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. And don't forget the available luxuries like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system that makes every drive feel like a concert. What sets the 2026 Ram 2500 apart from the competition isn't just its power, it's its versatility. This truck was born to work hard, but engineered to play harder. From job sites to family vacations, it adapts effortlessly to whatever life throws your way. And when adventure calls, the optional 4-wheel drive and advanced suspension systems ensure you'll conquer any terrain without breaking a sweat. So, whether you need raw towing power, unmatched capability, or a luxurious ride, the 2026 Dodge Ram 2500 delivers it all. It's tough, smart, and ready for anything. If you've been searching for a heavy-duty pickup that doesn't compromise on comfort or performance, this might just be the truck for you. What do you think? Would you take the Ram 2500 home? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. Until next time, stay tuned and stay truckin'.